Hello everyone, my name is Zen and I am an AI developer. Today I'm going to introduce you to AI Memory Booster. AI Memory Booster is a free, open source AI application that allows you to bring your own AI with the following features. Self-learning from conversation. The AI can pick up key knowledge directly from your chats. Long-term memory. It remembers what you provide, whether via chat or API call, even after restarting the machine. Lightweight deployment. No need for expensive servers. It runs on regular device like a laptop. Offline capability. It works fully without internet access. What you see on the screen is the web interface of AI Memory Booster, giving you a quick view of its capabilities. Now, let me turn off my Wi-Fi so the solution runs fully offline on my local laptop. I will access AI Memory Booster at Zen from its web interface and start chatting. Now, let me type. I love to play football. Now, the AI has learned from this conversation that Zen loves to play football. Let's restart the server to show that memory is persistent. Let me restart the server completely. We will access AI Memory Booster again at Zen. Now, let me ask, what do I love to play? AI says, you love to play football. As you can see, the AI remembers the information I provided earlier, all without internet access, running on a regular laptop. This protects your data privacy and enables you to deploy AI in mission-critical systems, private networks, highly regulated environments, or locations with no internet connectivities. Now, I will turn my Wi-Fi back on. And log out the system. AI Memory Booster has a free, open source version available on GitHub. And it is also available as an NPM package, ready to integrate into your project. It can run as a standalone API server or a web application as you just saw. Thank you for your time today. Feel free to explore it by yourself. And if you have any questions or inquiries, you can reach me at zen@aotol.com. Thank you.